Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year to every one of you. If you're just joining us, thank you and welcome. Please remember to click the subscribe button to see more of my videos. Today's recipe is a meat pie. Please sit back and enjoy. So I added some oil to the pan, added some minced meat, cooked this for about 3 minutes, added some chopped habanero pepper, some onions, some carrots, and seasoning. And I'm going to allow this cook for a while. Once it is cooked, I set aside to cool. Then I have my flour, some baking powder, some salt, and some butter. So I'm going to work on this for a while, add some water till I get that thick dough. Once I get the thick dough, I knead it for a while. Once I knead it, I get a plastic wrap and I wrap it and refrigerate for about 1 hour. As soon as I'm ready to finish up my meat pie, I get the filling ready. Then this is the first option on how you can get that shape. So I just spread this all around. You don't want it to be too light so that it doesn't start breaking out. Once I do this, I just use one of the covers of my spice jar to create that circular shape. You can use any shape that you want. Once I do this, I add in the filling, then I cover it with a second shape. Then I seal it a little bit with my hands, my fingers. After that, I completely seal it with a fork. With the second option, you can make this one by one. Just cut the dough into smaller shapes, smaller sizes. Then you roll it out. Use your whatever shape you want to use. Add the filling, the same process. Once I am done with this, I brush it with a little egg wash. Once I brush it with a little egg wash, I also use a fork to pierce it a little bit to create some hair when it's baking. Then I bake at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. And here it is, your sweet, delicious meat pie. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe for more. Thank you. See you.